Okay, part 2. $1960 is probably the oldest card so far. Let's get sized up again. Rookie. Rafael Ramirez rookie. Big time. Boom. Don Robinson. Of course, 1979 again. Oh, here comes a 1970 Bill of Freehand. 1970. First one of those. Steve Rogers. It's an 83 out. Robin. Bill Fahey. And good old Dougie Bird. That's Larry's brother. Good old Larry. Larry and Doug. Doug was a much better basketball player than Larry was. That was the strongest of packs. It's like half the box. Again, this is big fun. Everything is like 77. Daryl Thomas. It's Frank's brother. Comes in 1968. Oh man, I hope it's gonna be Nolan Ryan. Oh wait, it'd be cool if it was. Check this out. There's Davey Lopes, and now I got a 1968 coming. 1967 ERA leaders. Okay, who was an ERA leader in 1967? Gotta be somebody good from the National League. Necro, Bunning, and Short. How cool is that? I can dig it. Nice. The rest of that guy, probably garbage. John Ellis, 81. Good old Joe Torre for the Mets, 1978. Hey, thanks for getting all dressed up for your team photo, Joe. You look great. Nice big smile. Billy Smith rocking the stash. Check this out. Billy Smith, Doug Bird. Bitch stole my look. Who wore it better? I'm gonna go with Dougie. Oh, you're both wrong. Winner? Always. Raleigh. Click the card with my luck. Yeah. Yeah. Living in the 79 cards. Some bullshit 83s. 83 is the worst. 83 and 81. Like, useless. I'll get something decent here. Nope. Fred Norman. Okay, something good. Nope. Ooh, this pack's not looking promising at all. Ugh. Jamarice, that pack was no Me Gusta at all. Last one, Chris Byer. The first time I didn't have anything to put in a top loader. Like literally the first card I didn't have a top loader. Oh, I just slid right out of the middle. Lewis Tant. Ty Ant. Tight ass. Tiante. Forge. A force is a force, of course. Mark Hill. Nice pose, Mark. Reginald P. Jackson. Of course, it's 1982. Can't give me anything older than the A's, but still Reggie. I'll take it. I do love me some Reggies. Kind of figuring out their system here. It's usually they have something decent in the middle. By the way, this Reggie is perfect. A little print defect right there. But other than that, the corners and centering is pretty good. Reggie. Rest of it. Daryl Jackson. And Motas. Got, I'm gonna say like 10 packs left. Oh, this is like one of those weird hits. It's gonna be like some weird relic card of like Tony Gwynn. Every time I see this, it's like it's the same thing. It's like a crappy relic jersey card or something of like some random Hall of Famer. Ron Pruitt. I'm not gonna be blown away. As I said, mine is a just a total janky version of Andre Dawson. Thanks. It's maybe 50 cents. I'm not even show that. The rest of this is kind of good. Andre Thornton, 81. So, unfortunately, there's a lot of like 83, 80, 79s. And 81. I've only got one 1960, a 68, a 70, and a 69. Mariners from 77. Jerry Dirtbag from 1982. Uh, 1966. That's pretty nice. Bob Rogers. Great centering. Great corners too, actually. Probably get a 7, I'm guessing. Pretty solid. Oh, maybe not. Back's a little jacked up. I think about it. I wonder if that one was not a 69, but it was a 66. Go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. 6 packs left. Something like that. So, like I said, you're not going for the value on this. Probably the most valuable card that I think I've hit in this whole thing. Jesus. Maybe Lou Brock? I don't even know. I mean, I don't think I have a card that's over like $5. Maybe one of these older cards, but nothing crazy. Still cool though. William Foster, 1975. So many 1983s. Dickey. Thon. Bill Russell. He plays for the Celtics. A little pale in this photo though. So in the winter, they took that photo. Vic. It's Vic. It's good old Vic. Show your teeth. There's another Reggie. Reginald Jackson. It's a nice card. Good centering. Look at that. That thing's good. No issues. $79 Reggie. Surprisingly, Reggie's stuff is not very expensive, but I like it anyway. Oh, I guess, yeah, that Nolan Ryan's probably my best one. This thing's pretty solid. No joke, I think that would maybe get you a 9. Maybe an 8 or 9. That thing's that good. rest of this. This Jim Leon. We may or may not. I don't know yet. Larry's brother again. Old Dougie Fresh. 1983 Stephen Carlton All-Star. I love Steve Carlton. And they call him Enos the Penis. That's what I was told. 1978. And a monster card, a 1981 checklist. Get that graded immediately. Okay. Bring on the Mickey Mantle. Bring on any box topper hits. Don't think so. You know what I can get though? All the money in the world. Money, 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 money. I think it's like really good shape actually. Alright. Where is Buzz when you need him? God damn it, Buzz. Where are you? Buzz, Buzz, Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. This is Ron Harper's brother. It's Tommy. Gotta make sure the trammel's working on that. Get all the gold. It's a gold trammel. Allen gold trammel. Is that trammel's rookie? Nope. Not even close. Okay. 1970. Jim Rooker. Too bad his last name wasn't Rocker. How badass would that be? They're bringing in the Rocker. Instead, oh, don't forget that Jamie Quirk's fucking killer card. Alright guys, 3 packs left on this monster. I would recommend getting this stuff if you just like padding your vintage baseball card collection, because not gonna pull much heat. Not gonna pull much heat. Like on the front, it's like Mickey Mantle, Reggie, Clemente, George Brett. Doubt that's coming out. Doubt it. But you know what is coming out? Don Baylor. Hit by pitches more than anybody in the majors. Beamed the shit out of Don Baylor. And then good old Joe Coleman. Just trying to have a catch. Here's Big Poppy's brother. Stan. Good old Stan Poppy. Poppy the Zits. Willoughby. 73. Ugh, I think that was my good card. That's good old Terry Bowling. Nope. 1981 Willie Stargell. Okay, we have 3 packs left. Here's a mail. It'd be just ridiculous if I was like, oh, you got one of the two. It's just a Mickey Mantle rookie card, that's all. And I videoed it. Wouldn't that be crazy? Actually, there's one 1952 card I'd be dope with. Ugh, so tired of 83s. 69, Russ Gibson. Completely carved up on the front. Lee Lacy, 1979. Nolan Ryan. Oh, let's bring in the wise guy. How about that for a killer pitching name? It's time to bring in the wise guy. Looks like fucking Ricky Vaughn. It's a wild thing right there. Man, his name's Rick. True story. It's named after him. Major League. I don't know. That's Ken Singleton right there. Okay. Ghost Lab. Two packs left. Ron Guidry. Dan Ford. I wish they'd mix this up just a little bit. Everything's like... There's a 67. Jack Kralik. Fading down there, but the corners are sharp on that guy. Let's see anything else worth a shit in there. Some 81 common. Some Mike Schmidt from 83. Horton. Schmidt. Oldest card, 60, I believe. Last pack. Last one. Fitting. Let's see here. I will do a monster recap here at the end. See if there's anything good. Alright. That. Larry Parrish. Oh my god, look at this dude's hair. Jerry rocking the dew. Comb over much. totally wish I would have said it out loud. I swear to God, I was going to say, I bet you I'd pull a Rod Carew. And sure enough, Hall of Famer Rod Carew. Uh-huh. And that is it. Mike Willis. Rich Bizzotti, or Buttholes. And Le'Veon Blanks. So, probably the Nolan Ryan, I'm guessing, is the most valuable. Haven't sleeved these yet, but Crew. Here comes my recap coming at you. Put her on right there. Okay, Crew. Nolan Ryan. Willie. Carlton. Rice. Foster. I don't know why I kept these. Raleigh. Joe. And then Rafael Ramirez. And here are the ones that I guess decided to sleeve. Let's see if that's what I think I got from that. So, got a couple from 1970. '69s. This one was really in good shape. Negro. 67. 66. And 61. Oldest card was a 60, Daryl Johnson. And then Mike Schmidt, Gary Carter, 78 Lou Brock, 82 Yaz, 79 McCovey, 83 Pete Rose, 83 Robin Yount, probably the best card, 78 Nolan Ryan, 79 Reggie, and an 82 Reggie. That's it. Fun. It was fun.